Department of Education in KwaZulu-Natal is under immense strain due to the recent downpour and climate change. Over 600 schools have been destroyed, close to 30,000 learners have been affected, and over 400 million rand worth of infrastructural damage to schools has been incurred. In the midst of this disaster, the government, alongside various stakeholders, are working to ensure that learning is not compromised. It sounds like now is a good time to use the iWhiz app. Now, iWhiz is a free e-learning application that offers CAPS-aligned content for grade R to 12 learners nationwide. You can stream video lessons in the comfort of your home and wherever you are. As we recover from the recent floods as a nation, ensure that your children get quality education at home. Download the iWhiz app today. iWhiz, a teacher in your pocket.